Hi and welcome to the fourth episode of the Snakes game tutorial series. In this episode we're gonna do some basic project setup. We're gonna make sure that Java and Java JDK is recognized by your IDE, which is IntelliJ IDEA in our case. So let's begin. Now firstly, launch IntelliJ IDEA. Don't mind me having an ultimate version. Community version is just fine. Now, you're going to have to do some basic setup for the IDE. It's going to ask you some questions, then you get a screen like this one. Here, import project, and find your folder where you imported the project. Click OK. Create project from existing sources. Next. Project name, just don't change anything, or you can change the name. But then you're gonna have to get back the folder here, because it might also change the folder name. Next and next. We're not using any external libraries, so next and next. Here it recognized my JDK home path, and in case if it didn't recognize yours, you have to manually select and find your Java JDK, which I have shown you in the previous video. It usually is in this path. It's program files Java JDK. So yes, it's JDK 1.8. Next. We're not using any frameworks. Well, look, this is the tutorial. Now, this video tutorial series is simply following this one. So if you don't understand anything, simply go to the written tutorial and follow it. Maybe you'll find your answer over there, or you can write personally to me. Now look at this project. First thing that we're going to need to do here is go to File, Project Structure. Make sure that your project SDK is Java 1.8 and project language level is 8, because otherwise it might not compile. Click OK. Now you're going to have to add the configuration. So click Add Configuration, click the plus sign over here, Application, Main Class. The main class is Snakes UI main. Choose it. Program arguments. Now, in order to launch the application, I'm gonna click OK here for now. In order to run the application, you're gonna need to specify two bot classes names as program arguments. So here I'm gonna say, since we have a sample bot over here, just to run the application, we're going to have to specify that bot's name. So johndoe.samplebot. And copy it. Now, John Doe here is the package name of the bot. It's like a directory over here. And the sample bot is the actual class name. And you need to specify two of those over here. When we create our own bot, we are going to specify our own bots here. And, well, those are going to be the same as sample bot. So click OK. And now you can try to, let's make sure that JRE is also 1.8. This is important. Okay, let's try to run the application. Yeah, it runs. So these are two stupid dummy bots, simply just going around doing nothing. Good. Now this is the end of this episode. In the next episode we're gonna finally write something. We're gonna make our own bot.